You spend significant time and mental energy monitoring your applications for issues. But when something goes wrong with your applications, and the fact is, something will always go wrong, every second counts. You need to find the root cause and get back on track fast. Imagine this scenario. It's your biggest sales day of the year when you get an urgent notification about an error in your payment service. Suddenly, the clock is ticking. The issue could literally cost you millions of dollars. Of course, you'll start with the logs, metrics, and traces. But when they produce so much data each minute, what's the best way to correlate the right information from all three of these to pinpoint the error? Well, it's easy with Splunk Observability Cloud. Here's how. First, click the notification and go to Splunk Observability Cloud. Then look for the solid red dot on the service map. Just like that, you've instantly found the source of an error. Next, click the service. Then click Related Logs to open up the Log Observer. In no time, you'll see the error logs pinpointed on the location of the issue, and examining them reveals the error source as an invalid token. With just a few clicks, you've found the cause, you've solved the problem, and your company is back accepting orders and taking payments, all thanks to your quick action and Splunk. When you need split-second solutions in a sea of data, turn to Splunk Observability Cloud.